Alrighty. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Jay. Let's see what we got going on. Move over Asia was so clean. Yeah, Asia session was so good. Dang, it dropped. I was able to catch this move here last night in Asia. It's like 80 points. It dropped another 200. Oh, it dropped way more. Oh shoot. Still going. Yeah, I mean, I'd be looking at 570 right now. ES looks bearish at the moment too. The short honestly does not look bad at all. I'm actually try this short. I'm actually gonna get into this short. Put about 5 micros on. Our stop's not too wide, about 17-ish points. Be lower risk. I don't like to usually enter trades right before market open. Doesn't look too bad. 680 or 680. Oh, 680 is the exact low. We need to get past 680. Should have traded Asia, I think. Yeah, I wasn't actually like actively trading Asia. It was on my phone. decided to just take a trade, looked nice, so I just yellowed it. Bias is short. I think eventually we could want to come up. That look better. That look a little better. ES looking a little better here. Nothing new with that though. Maybe the 4 hour needs a pullback. 4 hour had a pullback. It's already tested its previous base on the 4. Doesn't mean it can't do it again, but oh yeah, my timer sets. I didn't end up putting a giveaway form on last night, so we might just do a giveaway on stream, and then I'll put a form up for tonight. Hey Des, good morning. Joseph, good morning. Arson, good morning. Camera's not focused. Focus, focus, come on. We gotta leave and come back. Hello. Focus. There. Yeah. It's good, right? And it's 680. So we can break through 680 here. Yeah, there's a lot of orders down below. Our target's at 624. There's a lot of orders down at 624 if you see that on Bookmap. Let me change my heat map settings a little bit. Settings. Not gonna lie, I forgot how to get there. Where's my heat map? It's not an add-on, is it? Not. Dude, I'm like so lost. Wait, how do I get there? Studies. There it is. Goodness. It's just like too much. Alrighty, and market open. The yoinkus. Whew. That is volatile, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Holy squeeze. It's unfortunate. I don't know if I really like the longs here too much. Alrighty, well, signal is a signal. I'd like to take the long. Down to key level. Alright, we're in long. I would say I don't like the longs too much, but that's our trigger, so we're gonna take it. Let's see if price can hold. Wouldn't want to see this come up to at least VWAP, and we are tapped out. That's alright. No, just wanted to take me out before it went. That's unfortunate. Yeah, dude, I was gonna say, dude, the short looks so much better. It's a little volatile. I'm gonna probably wait out the 15. I think I'll take one more trade on the account, and then if we lose, we'll swap over. Gotta train your brain to sleep for New York and wake up for Asia. You know, honestly, kind of considering trading Asia with you guys, so. Here in cells, nice. TP in 29,570. That is a great TP, if you ask me. Oh, awesome, thank you. Bro. 100-point candle. Just 100-point manipulation wick or manipulation candles are just absolutely so insane. Like you would have not seen this like even like 10 years ago. You would have not seen this. Honestly, I feel like even like 5 years ago you wouldn't see this. It's absolutely crazy. Stopped out. Yeah. Looks are crazy, man. I still like the cells, but it's too a little too volatile to get in. It's one of the days where I'll try to fetch out the short and I'll just get stopped out like 4 or 5 times. It's just not worth it. So kind of how I'm just viewing it is that instead of trying to catch like this with my stop like here or my stop here, I'm honestly just trying to catch this here as it's breaking down. I think I'm gonna pop up here. Might be squeezing, boys. Get a close. That close above, it did. We are in. Stop is gonna be below. Previous structure low. 718. 820. So VWAP would be target 1. Target 2 would be around 920. And if we wanted to start retracing overnight move, probably could just hold on to this, right? Yeah, if you look at bookmap, We have a bunch of orders, bunch of liquidity above. Shorts are looking great, but we're kind of looking to squeeze here, so this would be like final TP, but probably look to hold this to like 920. That's a good break. I might look to add into this. I'm gonna add into this. So this is our second position, right? I'm gonna move my stop up. New York. Okay, well, 712. We want to be at least under 712. So you want to see ES squeeze through its VWAP right now. NQ looks like it wants to squeeze. We don't have too many levels to fight through. I think this could squeeze pretty hard. The deepest I would want to see this is back down to New York VWAP. Might get stopped out if that happens, but I think New York VWAP will move up enough where we should be protected. We leave our stop here. That was a crazy loss you just took. Yeah, a little unfortunate, man, but that is fine. 5-minute close. Okay, 725 to like 719 on the 5, and then in terms of where we have support is around 712. So we want to see 712 held. That's like right above our stop. If this gets taken, we'll definitely swap accounts, and we'll be very careful trading today because this is wild. All right, well, buyers are trying to protect 712 here. Man, that does not look good at all. Unfortunate. All right, we are swapping accounts. Man, that's so wild, dude. 70-point pullback already. Yeah, this is wild price action. It's very trappy. It looks fine. We have a lot of trap buyers here. some trap buyers here. It moved up. Orders were coming in, and then it just swings on you. So yeah, I mean, not much you can do, right? We saw our edge, we played our edge. It's not working out. We'll take the next signal if we get it. Excuse me. Being a little more careful, just because the market's chopping. Excuse me. It means market's indecisive. Once the market decides, you know, we'll hop back in. Whichever way it is. I was definitely more short biased coming into the day, so you know, if we do start breaking down, I love the shorts. Right? So pretty much like the moves I want to eat is here or here, right? I don't really want to be in here. Which is why we took the longs here. And I'd be willing to take the shorts here. But price is ping-ponging, so definitely get to be a little safe here. Get to feel like a drop is coming. Yeah, I do too. I do want to see NQ down to 570 is a good level. Taking that previous low at around 533 is also good. We got another level of 400. 400 has been a pretty big level for us. Fairly confident level of 400, so I want to see that down to 400. ES has room down to around 678 to around 650. Yeah, I saw a lot of room downside, but we'll see. The squeeze looked really good on this push up. But now we've trapped buyers up here now. We have trap sellers, trap buyers. Like everyone's trapped. So let's just watch. Let's see who wins. We'll take a dub here. We just gotta be a little patient today. Can't wait for the 4 to 5 week course. Yeah, I'm putting together a lot of content for you guys. It's just more structured, so you guys can just kind of watch through it. You know, there's a lot of things I look at on the charts, all the time frames that has become a little bit more second nature to me, right? I've been staring at the charts like 5-10 hours a day for the past 10 years, so a lot of it's become a little like second nature. So I'm just trying to condense that and tell you guys kind of what I look at. Honestly, I thought it'd be like 45 weeks, but I mean, realistically, if you do about 30 minutes a day, it should be like 4 weeks. That's 30 minutes of like, that's like 10 minutes of you guys watching and like 20 minutes of you guys going over the charts, going over order flow. So you took 2 trades already, so this is my last trade here. It's a very good rule. The breakout looks fantastic. Will we get it? That is the question. Oh my goodness. That is not what I meant to do. Please don't put me on that. Alright boys, I'm short. I'm short down to 570. I'm not really looking to hold the trade down today. Pretty low risk. I'm risking like 300 per trade on this account. I would say a normal trade's around like 500 upwards to 1,000. So definitely on the lower end. I do want to snuff out this short. So I gotta take a few paper cuts trying to do it, so. Let me draw out our orb. Nice. Kind of considering picking up some apexes right now. See if I can sniff out the move on my apexes. Maybe I can get some apexes past today. Or should I do like one My Funded Features Pro eval? Finally have 2K on your Apex P after 2 weeks. Nice, dude. Congrats. I just got a My Funded Futures Pro 50K, so I'm trading the breakout on it right now. Market looking good to pass this. Buy now? But I just sold now. Why are you buying? Last trade clutch, yeah. Come on, let's get the breakout here. Give us a base hit. Back up, test orb. Dang, look at those orders getting filled. Bro, what did you buy? Why did you do this to us? Today's supposed to be a winning day. It's all good, man. Anything can happen, so just manage your risk. There's always tomorrow, right? Your payouts will come depending on how you take your losses. So sometimes you just gotta be. I mean, most of the time I would say you gotta be willing to just bite the bullet, take the L, get off. So. You think it'll shoot down at 10 a.m.? I have no idea. I have no idea what it wants to do anymore. I would say I'm still inclined shorts. PA is being weird though, so. Dang, that 5 minute couldn't close under. You know, we're close, we see a flush or a pop. Well, I hope we see that flush. ES down to 711. 678 would be great. If ES goes 678, I see NQ down to 400s here, so that'll be perfect. Send it sideways. Yeah, I mean, technically, PA put in the lower low, but it also technically put in a higher high. So, market is having a mind of its own today. You gotta be kidding me, man. Ooh, what a squeeze. Yeah, nah, this market's garbage. Oh, Lord. What is that? Random 60-point candle up, dude. Come on. Boy, dude, usually the weeks after CPI, PPI are a little better than this, but it is what it is. Up 263 points on the day. Nice, dude. You're trading the mean reversion of this. 260 points is just so crazy to be up. Like, you would not be able to do that. Honestly, you wouldn't even do that like 2 years ago. Like, the market is so wild right now. Well, boys, it might be one of those days. Rusty maybe for New York Open. Oh, nice. Yeah, we took a nice trade during Asia last night. We were able to catch this. My top one, so at least that's a plus. Yeah. Might have to take the small L to save the mental here. I'm still short biased. It's just, this is so difficult to fish out this short. Like, I don't even think this is gonna happen. I think we're gonna get something like this, and then we'll finally go short. But then it's like, by the time we're up here, we're gonna have plenty of volume come in to actually squeeze it out too. So it's like, and then it might look like it's gonna squeeze, trap buyers, and then come down. You know, it just, dude, this market is just really difficult to read. Run, bro. Yeah. Like, it would make sense if this was like 20, 30 points, this would make sense. This is 140 points. It's just crazy. On the bright side, today's probably going to be a pretty clean IB day. So waiting till IB break is probably the move here. Not positive if I want to stick around for IB. Personally, I think we're going to get the IB breakdown. But we'd have to see. We have trap sellers. A little bit of trap sellers here. Someone's throwing in big buy orders down here. Every time it comes down, someone's bidding it up. I think if this guy gets squeezed out, this will go. This guy needs to lose, whoever this is. Why are so many orders for that 29,607? That's a good question. Yeah, I mean, they just caught the sell down. Just buyers caught it. This might finally capitulate. We have our shelf. Does the shelf finally break? Alright, we'll take it. This is our last trade of the day. Oops, not sell stop. Mark it in. What the heck? Oops, I may have pressed the wrong button. That looks good. $570 down to 401 would be final target if we wanted to continue down. But with how choppy this been, we'll be trailing my stop. Alright, stops at break even. Like 530. Key level down at 401. Do I have a My Funded Futures code? I do not have a My Funded Futures code, but I do like their accounts. Yeah, I would only say the only thing with My Funded Futures is they're just expensive. So the ROI is definitely not as good unless they have like a really good promo. If you guys, I think they had a 50% off promo. That promo is really, really good, so. You bought again, 20 stop loss. How many prop accounts do I have in total? I have about like 20 fundeds right now and 22 fundeds, 23. And then I'm running about 5-ish evals, but we're taking it pretty slow. 5 of my fundeds are $200 away from blowing up, which are my Lucid Lives. So I'm waiting for like an A++ setup and trying to take it. And if not, I will blow my Lucid Lives again, unfortunately. Yeah, I passed an eval since March. Honestly, bro, like sometimes I mean, not even sometimes, I do think full porting evals is very valid. So you just gotta make sure you're taking the good trades when you're full porting them. But it's not even full port. It's like you can easily pass an eval trading like 1 or 2 minis, which is a pretty big position size for the amount of drawdown you're allowed. So. All right, we hit 570. That's key level 1. Well, that would have been our TP1, but I do want to see this down a little bit further. We have our 5, 10, 20-day moving average around 518. We also have a low at 533. Yeah, I mean we have a big trap buyer up here. Look, this guy was buying so many contracts, and he's trapped right now. So this move is looking nice. Like, he was like the sole guy keeping this market up. Like bro's in pain right now. Looking to move my stop down to that wick right now. I want this to sell down here. Come on. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Alrighty, break even, guys. Yeah, the market just can't get out. Do you think nano contracts would have big spreads and lower volume? That's a good question. I don't know. I feel like nano contracts are gonna be like in gaming terms, it's gonna be like bronze lobbies, right? You're gonna have someone come in, just like smurf the lobby, so who knows? All I know is that this is not my PA. It's 1018. So we push down orb low a little further, or IB low. I still want to see this break down lower, but honestly 570 might be it. That might be our low day. It really depends on which way this wants to break out. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna hop off. I'm definitely feeling a little tilted, especially on that last break even. So I think this is you just gotta know. You gotta know when to hop off the charts, right? I think trading is very personal, and you know, if you're ever feeling, if you're not at 100, you should probably hop off. Is moral of the story. You end up blowing accounts. You end up blowing a lot of money if you're on a live account. It's just not worth it, right? Especially if you're on a live account, it's just not worth it. So, yeah. I mean, the edge isn't edging. I would trade the short if anything, but if the day's rotational, you're gonna see this move. This will be a big move up. So, I'd want to trade this. That's all I would want to eat, somewhere in here. So if I were to just stay on the charts, I'll keep the charts open, and I am gonna look for IV break. But I do need to get off for a little bit at least. So don't you want to do an Asia stream? Yeah, I might stream Asia today. I think there's a good chance I'll trade Asia. So. What day is it? Today's Tuesday, right? Tuesday, 18th, yeah. I might be on for Asia. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna hop off. I will upload a form today and we'll give away an account. I bought a bunch of lucid flexes. So if you guys want lucid flexes, I bought a bunch of 50k accounts to give out to you guys, so. Yeah, I'll give you guys some 50ks. I forgot how many I bought. I think I bought like 20 50ks. And then maybe I'll grab some, if you guys want apexes, I'll grab some apexes, grab some tradeifys if you guys want tradeify. Yeah, I know most of you guys like lucid, so I bought a bunch of lucids. And yeah, we'll do a giveaway tonight, guys, on Discord. Alright. Thanks for tuning in. Bad start to the week, but it's all good. This only means that the chance of our edge increasing the next day is higher, so. Hope to eat some good trades here with you guys soon. Alrighty, peace out guys. Peace. How do I give away those accounts? How to enter for Apex giveaway? You guys, sorry, if you guys are new, just join our Discord. Let me send you guys our Discord link. And I'll put out a form for you guys to fill out. To enter the giveaway, you just gotta use code JMK at any firm. Like you could buy like cheap Apex accounts, and each account is a ticket into the giveaway. So. Oh, I see what you're saying. Are you just asking like how I actually give it away? I just send it directly to your email. So if you fill out the form, it saves your email that you filled it out with, but it's kind of hard for me to filter it out. So I did enter a little form section for you guys to like fill out your email if you've never entered your email before. But yeah, I send code directly to your email. If you always want hypertext accounts, there's different instructions for that, and then Apex, I give you the code directly. Tradeify, same thing. I get codes from, I can buy codes. So, like, on the dashboard, I can purchase an account and convert it into a code. The only thing is, I don't get discounts when I do that. Like, any of the discounts that are going on, like, I don't have access to that when I'm doing giveaway accounts. So, let me see. Wallet. So, yeah, there's no discounts. They have like their own affiliate pricing. So for a 50k account is $90. So we took around $1,900. I think it was like $1,800 in affiliate pay last month. That finally came in. So I just bought with all that money that came in from affiliate pay. I posted it in the Discord for you guys so you guys could see it. With all that money, I just bought Lucid accounts, 50k. So like I don't even make any money from like doing the affiliate. Like I could not do giveaways and just pocket $2,000, you know. But that's not what I want to do. So yeah, I just spent $2,000 on buying like 20 evals for you guys, and then we'll just give those away. And any more affiliate money that we make, we'll just do more giveaways for you guys. So. Did you get the Blue Guardian payout? No, I am getting I am losing. I am on my way to losing the payout because we keep on losing. So, but managing the risk, fortunately. I still need 4 more profitable days on the account. We've only have 1 profitable day on the account, so. But yeah, guys, I'll run the giveaway on Discord. You just gotta use code JMK at any of the firms that I support, which is Lucid, Apex, Hypertix, and Tradeify. Those are like my go-to, anyways. Not only is it the firms I personally support, but it's the ones I personally use. So, yeah, just if you purchase any accounts at those firms, you'll get a receipt, in your email. Just screenshot the email, put it into the form, and you're entered into the giveaway. Do I think the firm is trusted? I don't know yet. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know, and I'm trying to test out some firms for you guys because. If you guys want to scale or the firms are a little cheaper, because if they're cheaper and they pay out, the ROI is better. So, Ali, how do I participate? I have bought a few. Use your code. Yeah, just join the Discord. In the giveaway channel, I'll post a Google form. You just gotta fill out the Google form. The Google form is it's literally your name and a screenshot of your receipt, and that receipt should be in your email. A lot of times you can find it in the dashboard as well, but the email is probably a lot easier. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Yeah, well, we did 2,000 Lucid affiliate pay, which is around 20 accounts. We did a combined total of 1,000 in the other firms, so we did about $3,000, which is actually really good in affiliate pay. So, I mean, that's 1 flex account a day for this month, for the next 30 days, I should say. The cycle ends around the middle of the month, so. That's kind of when the affiliates get paid out. So yeah, I mean, $3,000, 30 accounts for you guys, 1 account a day. If we net some payouts, I'll do like extra accounts over the weekend. And yeah. Yeah, this giveaway is for only people who use my code. I mean, they're the ones who are supporting the giveaway, right? Like, everyone who's used my code has generated around $3,000 in affiliate payouts. And I think it's only fair for me to give that back to them. So that's 1 account a day so far. If we make enough for like 2 accounts a day, we'll do 2 accounts a day. Like, if our community grows to do like 10 accounts a day, we'll do 10 accounts a day. Like I'm not looking to take any of the affiliate pay. Like, I'll take anything a little bit that's left over, I'll buy myself a sandwich. But, yeah. Anyways, I'm not trying to be one of those. I don't know if it's like a pride thing. I don't want to be paid via affiliate pay. So I don't want that to be my income. It feels like dirty money if I use that. So. Just giving it back to you guys. But yeah, I'll post a form out soon actually, because I didn't post one out yesterday. So I'll post one out today, probably within the next like 30 minutes to an hour, and then yeah, I'll give away an account tomorrow. Maybe we'll do like 1 Lucid account and 1 Apex account, because Apex accounts are a little bit cheaper. So maybe we'll do like 1 Lucid, 1 Apex, or something like that for tomorrow morning. Some affiliates are saying that firms may move away from affiliate marketing. Oh, I think that'd be really bad for the industry, but I mean, that's fine. I think that'd be good to really show you guys who's making money off of affiliate pay and who's actually making money off of trading the props. So good for transparency. Yeah, exactly. Well, yeah. If you guys want, I can post like how much money is coming in via the affiliate pay every month, and then I'll let you guys know like how many accounts I buy, how many is available for giveaways, if that's like information you guys want. I think up until now it's just like trust me, bro. But like I don't mind posting it all. So looking through. So yeah, maybe I'll do that like maybe once a month around like 15th ish on the month, because that's kind of when everything comes out for in terms of affiliate pay. So I'll keep that transparent for you guys, and yeah, we're looking good for about one account a month or one account a day. It's your business, you shall keep it private. That's my opinion. Yeah, I mean that's fair too. But I think transparency goes a long way, right? Like I'm not trying to like make money off you guys. Like that's really not my thing. Not for anything I offer for free, right? Like for example, like the mentorship, like it's a lot of time and effort on my part. So like I'm gonna charge for that, like 100%, you know. But I mean, if I'm just streaming live, I'm not doing anything to sell my affiliate codes really. I just post on my story for giveaways. So if I talk too much about my income, I'm gonna lose more than I earn. Yeah, that's also fair. Yeah. With that said, we'll see how far we can grow the community, and if the community grows a lot, I'll look to keep it running. Maybe hire like Discord mods and stuff. But I would definitely say I'm not planning to live stream forever, you know. So with that said, maybe in the future we'll do. I don't know what we'll do in the future, but for now we're live streaming and giving away a bunch of free accounts. I spent around 4K in the last 3 months and did not have one payout because I celebrated much last year's. I see. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how you're trading your prop accounts. Like I said, that it goes pretty deep on how you should, depending on how much money you have to buy and how many prop accounts, or like what your sizing, what your strategy is. It really depends. You gotta work out the numbers when you're trading props, right? And that is something we do in the mentorship. We crunch out the numbers, and I think if you're not crunching out your numbers and trading props, you're gonna lose a lot of money. So I definitely recommend doing that. Just crunch out the numbers, man. You gotta treat trading props like a business. Alrighty, but yeah, hopping off for the day, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get some better price action. Honestly, the price action now is not too terrible. I mean, we have an answer on what the market wants to do. It wants to range, right? And if it ever wants to break out, we have our good levels, right? Not only is this IB low now, but this has been a key level for us. So, like, I would look at this. I would look at this. Nothing else today. Like, this is your highest edge. You're like, it's like 80-90% that this happens. So, I would just trade it. Go for a base hit. Don't gotta post your numbers, brother. Giveaways enough. I appreciate it, man. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, if anyone's complaining, maybe I'll post it then. We haven't had anyone complain, so, but you know, I just wanted to be kind of open with you guys. So, anyways, we'll give away. We'll try to do like 2 accounts. We'll do like 1 Lucid Flex and maybe like 1 Apex for tomorrow morning. So because I missed yesterday's giveaway. So that'll be the plan, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Yeah, much love, guys.